G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Thank you for joining us. Today we are making the Rum Swizzle. So what you're going to need, a dark rum, white rum, orange juice and pineapple juice, grenadine, some bitters, some dried oranges, and then from an equipment perspective you just need a mixing glass, hawthorn strainer, a spoon, a jigger and a rocks glass. Alright, so when you get that ready to rock and roll, we can get stuck into it. So the first thing you need to do is grab your mixing glass, load it up with some ice. Alrighty, we're going to have 45 mils of dark rum, into your mixing glass, 45 mils of white rum, 70 mils of orange juice, 70 mils of pineapple juice, and 15 mils of grenadine syrup. All right, now we will stir it down. Mix all those flavours together. Okay, so next step, grab your rocks glass. We're going to put some ice in it. Not too much, that's probably enough. Grab your hawthorn strainer on the top of your mixing glass, strain it directly into the rocks glass. Like that. Now grab one of your dehydrated oranges. We're just going to cut it in half and just put it on top like that. And grab your bitters, a couple of dashes on top. And there you have the Rum Swizzle. Enjoy.